Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to check your battery status on your GoPro Hero 13 Black. It's really simple to do in the settings. Let's dive into it. All right, so on your GoPro from the main home screen here, you're going to swipe down from the top and you'll get your little menu here. We want to swipe from right to left like that, and you'll see preferences over here. You can go ahead and select preferences. This is going to open up all the main settings for your GoPro, and you can scroll down here until you see the about option. So select about. And then in here, you're going to see the battery info option. So you can go ahead and select that. And this will tell you the health of your battery. So this one you can see is in excellent health. And it says that the battery type is compatible. So it's a good way to check if your batteries are doing okay. Maybe you're heading out on a trip or something. And you can put each of your batteries in one by one and check them to make sure they're all good and you're ready to go. And really it's that simple to check your battery health on your GoPro Hero 13 Black.